In this video, you will see how to change left and right margins in Word document. To change left and right margins, you need to click here on the Layout tab, and under the Layout tab, you will see the option of Margins. Click on the Margins drop down, and at the bottom, click on Custom Margins. You will see this window. From here, under the Margins tab, you can set top, bottom, left and right margins in Word document. You just need to enter the number here and you can see the preview. For example, I will select here 1.54 and then click inside the next box, and as you can see, the top margin has changed. Similarly, you can change the bottom margin, left margin and the right margin. Select next to apply to. You want to apply these settings to the whole document or this point forward if you have sections. So if you want to change the margin for the whole document, you can select whole document and then click on OK. This is how you can change left and right margins in Word along with top and bottom margins as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.